My mom came home and told me the lump was gone. When I was 16, I learned that you can do this inner work to heal whatever is blocking you. Whether it's a disease, a relationship problem, a mental health issue, you have the power to look within yourself, do the work, and release that energy. Have you started to feel like you're just not fulfilled with the work you're doing? Or you feel like there's a greater calling that you're just meant to help or serve, and you just want to find your way to that space? Well, this program could be your answer, because it will prepare you with how to take knowledge in your head and turn it into embodiment. You become the work. I am Sophie Frabotta, a modern healer, a transformation specialist. 18 years ago, I was depressed, anxious, suicidal, and 75 pounds heavier. I was living in my own darkness and felt like I couldn't get out. I had an eating disorder that was drowning me. I was lost. And I can remember I reached out to God in my deep darkness and said, if you help me heal my life, I will dedicate my life to serving others, helping them work through their darkness. It's very common for spiritual people to think that they will not make money. And I'm here to tell you that that's not true. I'm a spiritual entrepreneur that believes in doing impactful work that leads to profit. It's a balance, and part of this program is learning how to take your unique God-given gifts and turn them into a business that supports your life. And I can teach you that success formula. So I'd like to invite you to join us for our spiritual life coaching certification. Get the practical tools, technical skills, and all the deep healing that you could possibly imagine, all through this program. I hope to speak with you soon.